To download the MetaTrader 4 platform, go to metatrader4.com/traders. Click on the free download. Once the download is done, open it. Follow the instructions in the installer and we will see you when the installation is done. Once you install MetaTrader 4, open it. You can open it via the start button or through the directory that you installed it. Just click on terminal. You should be brought to this page. To use MetaTrader 4, we first need to have an account open with either a broker or with a software company. So we are going to open an account now. Key in your personal particulars. When you are done, under leverage, choose the maximum. Under deposit, since this account is a virtual account and this is virtual cash, so we are just going to choose $1 million, a nice round number. Click I agree to subscribe to your newsletters and click next. We can create an account with the different brokers or with MetaQuotes. MetaQuotes is the software company that created MetaTrader 4. We can create a demo account with them, but we can't create a real cash trading account with them because they don't provide such a service. To create an account with them, click Add Broker, type in MetaQuotes. The MetaQuotes demo should appear. Next. And it's done. This is our account number, our password that was given, and an investor password. So the difference between an investor password and a normal password is that if you log in via the investor password, you cannot make any trades, you cannot adjust your positions, you can only look at what's going on. Say for example, your brother want to look at your account. Maybe he just want to replicate the trades that you make. So you can give him your investor password and he can see what you're doing, but he can't affect your trades. Store your account number and your password in a safe place and finish.
Incoming mail.
Once you hear that sound and the incoming mail signal, that means that your account was created.